I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to do division quickly in your head. First, let's tackle the basics. The core idea is to simplify the problem. Imagine you need to divide 128 by 4. Instead of seeing it as one large number, break it down. Think of 120 as one part and 8 as another. This makes the division much more manageable and less intimidating. Let's dive deeper into splitting the dividend. This technique is incredibly powerful. When dividing, say, 156 by 3, look for the largest multiple of 3 that's easy to work with. 150 is a clear multiple of 3, giving you 50. Then you're left with 6 divided by 3, which is 2. Add those together and you get 52. It's like solving two smaller, simpler problems. Estimation is your secret weapon for mental division. Before diving into precise calculations, quickly round your numbers. If you're dividing 247 by 5, think of 250 divided by 5, which is 50. This gives you a ballpark figure. Then, you can refine your answer. This method helps you quickly gauge the magnitude of the answer and catch potential errors. The key to mastering mental division is consistent practice. Start with simple problems like dividing 48 by 6 and gradually work your way up to more complex ones. Try dividing 365 by 5. The more you practice, the more intuitive these techniques become. Dedicate just 5 to 10 minutes each day, and you'll notice significant improvement in your speed and accuracy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.